Starting my first art collection for passive income, it feels like such a bold sentence to say out loud, but I'm doing it. It's not perfect, I don't have it all figured out, but for the first time, I'm creating with intention, not just for fun, not just for practice, but with the hope that one day this body of work could support me. Even when I'm not actively creating, that's the dream, right? Passive income from the art we love to make. This is me, starting from scratch, trying to figure it out, and maybe inspiring some of you to do the same. Hi, I'm Chantel. I'm a coloring book artist and illustrator, and I hand draw all of my books. So far, I've created Comfy Friends, cute and comfy coloring book. This has got lots of cute, fun characters. Freaky Cute Friends. This is an easy coloring book for adults and children. It's bold, simple, relaxing, and has a lot of cute summer designs. Snowy Season Friends, a bold and easy coloring book for Christmas time and cute and snuggly. This is more of a autumn time, a calming collection of things for you to color in. And How to Draw Cute Things, a step-by-step guide for anyone wanting to try drawing the way that I do. Every one of those books was a little milestone. A little I did that, and now I'm trying something new, something that might one day help me make art and rest. Before I get into the collection I'm working on, a quick plug. If you enjoy this kind of content, or if you just want free monthly coloring pages and updates on what I'm working on, join my email list. It's chill, no spam, just cozy updates from me. The link is in the description. I feel like I'm in a new season of business right now. I'm still selling coloring books. I'm still drawing consistently, but I'm looking for ways to grow long term. And that's led me down the rabbit hole of art licensing. Now, full disclaimer, I don't know much about it yet, but I've seen enough artists I admire turn their collections into products, prints, fabrics, and even gift wrapped. And I want to explore that for myself. So that's what this collection is for. I'm learning, I'm experimenting, I'm researching, I'm creating my first mini art collection with licensing in mind. I decided to start with florals, so I literally went into the park. Not just any florals that I've actually seen, touched, and photographed out there in nature. I didn't want to start with something that felt too far away from me. I wanted to start my first collection to be personal, grounded in my real life, and the flowers felt like a perfect place for me to start. Over the past few months, I've been going on walks, snapping photos of anything that catches my eye, wildflowers in the park, roses in the gardens, little moments of softness in everyday chaos. It's funny, when I go out for walks, now I feel like a little detective, always hunting for color, texture, and shape. It's changed the way I move through the world. Once I had a folder full of floral photos, I started sketching. At first, I felt overwhelmed. I didn't know where I wanted to begin. So I told myself, just pick 3. Free flowers, free illustrations, start small. And that's been my motto for this collection. Start small, stay consistent. I've been sketching in pencil first, then going over it with alcohol markers and some colored pencils. These mediums I'm focusing on for the next few months, just because I really enjoy them. I find them easy and there's no barrier for me. It's helped me to slow down and really explore my style. One thing I've realized, I really like it when florals aren't too realistic. I want them to feel like they belong in a storybook, soft, a little wonky, and playful. Not stiff, not sterile, but just like my art. I've struggled a bit with my style lately, if I'm honest. When you're starting something like licensing, you suddenly feel like there's this pressure to be super marketable. Like, is this cute enough? Will this sell? Is this on trend? But I keep coming back to something I once heard. The work that feels the most like you will always resonate with the right people. So I'm trying to create from that place, to make art that feels like mine, and trust that someone out there will connect with it. And if no one does, that's okay too. Because in the worst case scenario, I make a collection that I love and improve my art skills even more. And that's not nothing. So far, here's what I've learned about licensing. You need a themed collection, not just random drawings. So think florals, seasons, holidays, patterns. Art directors like to see 5 to 10 pieces in a collection, not just one of illustrations. You usually need to present your work in mock-ups as cards, fabric, wall art, gift bags, things like that. And you need to think about format. Vector versus raster, high resolution, seamless repeats, if you're doing patterns. It's a lot to take in, and I'm definitely still in the learning phase. I'm watching lots of YouTube videos, lots of Instagram reels, reading blog posts, and trying to reverse engineer how artists package their work. If any of you watching have tips or have done this or have links or even encouragement, please leave them in the comments. I'd love to learn from you. This is such a shift in mindset for me. With social media, you make something, post it, and get feedback right away. With licensing, it could take months to pitch a collection, years before you see it on a product. So that's why I've been putting it off for so long. It's that delayed gratification and that trust in the process. But that's the kind that I want right now, a slow, sustainable, creative life. Not a viral moment, not a race, just a gentle momentum. And maybe that's not glamorous, but it feels honest. Right now, I've set myself a few small goals. I want to finish 5 pieces for this mini collection. I also want to create some simple mock-ups showing how they'd look on different postcards or prints. I also want to learn how to format them correctly for pitching, and I'm starting to create a list of companies or art agents that I'd like to reach out to eventually. So I'm not rushing it, I'm slowly building it, and I'll be sharing the whole process with you. So if you're curious or on a similar path, stick around. I think I'll be doing this because I want to know what's possible. Can I build a life where my artwork works for me and not the other way around? Can I spend more time in nature drawing the things I love and have that be enough? I don't have the answers yet, but I'm excited to find out. So that's where I am right now, starting my first art collection for passive income, learning about licensing, developing my skills, and drawing what I see around me. If you're curious to follow along, I'd love you to stay subscribed or join my email list. The link is in the description. I send out monthly updates with free coloring pages as a little gift from me to you. So if you're a fellow artist, especially one with licensing experience, please leave your advice in the comments. This is a community that I'm excited to grow with. Thanks for being here, and see you in the next one. Until next time, happy creating.